Strawberries are a delight to grow, and even more delightful to eat. For a truly bountiful harvest, you must pay close attention to watering. Getting it right can be the difference between small, tart berries and juicy, succulent ones. But don't worry, mastering the art of watering strawberries is achievable for gardeners of all levels. The key is to understand the different stages of a strawberry plant's life. Each stage requires a different approach to watering. We will explore these stages in detail. I will guide you through the process, offering simple yet effective tips. Remember, a well-watered strawberry plant is a happy plant, and a happy plant produces a more abundant harvest. So let us begin and unlock the secrets to growing the most delicious strawberries you have ever tasted. When you first plant your strawberries, it is vital to give them a good soaking. This helps the roots to establish themselves in the soil. Water deeply, ensuring the water reaches the entire root system. As the plants begin to grow and produce runners, consistent moisture is key. Runners are new plants that grow from the main plant. They need plenty of water to establish strong roots. During dry spells, you may need to water your strawberries every day. The flowering and fruiting stage is the most critical time for watering. Strawberries are nearly 90% water, so it is no surprise that they need a consistent supply during this time. Aim to give your plants about an inch of water per week. There are several methods you can use to water your strawberries. Overhead sprinklers are a popular choice. They are easy to use and provide even coverage. However, overhead watering can lead to fungal diseases if the leaves stay wet for too long. Drip irrigation is a more efficient method. It delivers water directly to the roots, reducing waste and the risk of disease. Soaker hoses are another great option. They work in a similar way to drip irrigation, slowly releasing water at the base of the plants. The best method for you will depend on your garden and your personal preferences. Whichever method you choose, consistency is key. Mulching is a great way to help the soil retain moisture. Straw is an excellent mulch for strawberries. It helps to suppress weeds and keep the berries clean. If you live in a hot climate, you can use overhead sprinklers to cool down your strawberry plants. This is especially beneficial during the fruiting stage, as it can prevent the berries from becoming sunburned. Finally, always keep an eye on the weather. If rain is forecast, you can reduce or even skip watering. By following these simple tips, you can ensure that your strawberry plants receive the right amount of water throughout the growing season.